Hello there guys, just making a little video here on my homemade hacksaw blade picks that I made. Not too difficult to make, just traced from a couple of my favorite picks out of my set. That would be this double peak. Oh, see if we can focus. It's kind of a double peak. I'm not sure what it's called, a back pick or something like that, I don't know. Basically traced around them on the hacksaw blade and then cut them out on the bench grinder. Not too bad. Also, I'll only be using just a couple of homemade tension wrenches I made as well. I have various pieces of metal. And we're going to be opening these. Not the most complicated kinds of locks. I'm not actually sure even what some of these are there. Some of them are not actually marked. I'm not sure. I do know that these two do have security pins in there. Maybe not the best ones, but they are in there, I can assure you that. And let's find somewhere to sit this camera here and then see if we can't video this attempt. I'm going to say attempt because there's no guaranteeing a success. Let's have a look. It's kind of difficult. Oh, well, there goes everything. I'll just hold this here. Hope I'm not covering up the microphone, maybe. Let's start with this. An ASIC security. See if we can't get into this. Looks like we could use this tension wrench. Yeah, that ought to do it. And we'll use this half diamond. Just single pin picking. Finding each pin. I mean, you guys know how to pick a lock, so I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. Or attempting to do, should I say. I think I have a problem with my tension. Ooh, right, let's change the tension wrench. Trying to do this looking through the camera as well is never never that easy. Right, this might be a bit better tension. Let's have a look. Oh, okay, there we go. That's that one open. That's a ASIC security, no model numbers on that, I don't know. That's a 40mm padlock. Oh, and the next one is also ASIC. This one's a 50mm. See if we can't use the same tool on this to tension. It's not the best. I'm always used to using the top of the keyway tension or the bottom. You know what? I'm always confused, top or the bottom. Being in Europe and we're mounting all our locks the wrong way apparently in our locks, so in our doors. Gonna go back for the half diamond with this one. Sorry, we're not quite in focus. Look from the back, nice clicks in there already. Front. Not too secure that one. That's ASIC security 50mm. Oh, reaching. What we got here? Amtech. No other markings on here other than that, and hardened shackle of course. Let's see if we can fit this in here. Seems like it might work. So again, back with the half diamond. It's my favoured out of the two that we're working with. Go down the pins, up, and simple as that. Open. What else? A nice budget lock. We all know that texture and colour. Let's see what he's holding for us. Is this gonna work? Not so great. Perhaps a wider one. This could work. Let's feel for those nice clicks. Oh, I can hear them as well, not bad. I'll let them drop. Well, surprisingly enough, these cheaper locks can put up more of a fight than you expect. That, or I'm just doing a bad job. There we go. Got there eventually. Yeah, sometimes these cheaper locks, maybe they're not manufactured so well inside or machined very well. The tolerances on them can be difficult, to say the least. Let's have a look. What else have we got over here? We can go. It's a silver line. Not sure how secure they're supposed to be. We're going to use this wedge. Whoops! Wedge the SLR back in between our legs. It's almost giving me cramp actually. Let's have a look. That'll work. Oops, sorry, out of shot there. Let's see if we can't get this open. There we go. Silver line. Okay, reach forward again. We're going for the Master. Nice big hefty one. It's, I believe, it's the M15 of the Magnum series. Supposedly they're one of their better locks. We'll find out. We'll be the judge of that. I'm going to go for this thicker tension wrench. Pop that in there. Back in with our half diamond. Keep going out of shot, sorry. There we go, not so secure in fact. Okay, let's have a look what we've got here. I do not know what brand this is. I can tell you it's a 5-pinner. Don't know the size, length of the lock, it's not important. Let's see, we could use... Gonna go for this. And I'll tell you what, we'll do... We'll use... Pop this in here. That'll work. We're gonna use our other one here. And what we're gonna do is give it a bit of a raking. Let's see if we can't get lucky with this lock. Now I said see if we can't get lucky, but I didn't think that was gonna happen. Okay, well that's that's that one picked. And what do we have? We got, it's a zone. It's also a 5-pin euro. It is indeed locked. Should have shown you that about the other one, how it seems a little bit less believable, but I assure you it was locked. And I think we'll go in with the same tools. Same tension wrench. Pop that in there. Hopefully it's not going to pop out. Maybe not the best wrench for the job. Could work. Let's give it the same treatment, as it seemed to work so well for the last one. Now I've gone into a rather deep false set, so this tool won't help me anymore. I will fish around with our half diamond, see what gives us any feedback. Now I'm no Bosnian Bill, I can't tell you what pin I'm on as I go. I can just tell you... Oh, I've lost my wrench. You know what? This is a really bad tension wrench for this lock. Let's change it up. Okay. I think I've lost the false set, I'm not sure. Let's rake it in again. A cheap way, I know, but I think this video is long enough. I'm pretty sure we got that false set back. Yeah, definitely looks like it. I'll go back in with the half diamond. And sorry, I've not got this in shot very well. It's very difficult to set up here. See if any of these... no, this one I can feel the feedback. Just gotta send it on. It's giving me feedback, but it's not turning the plug. Nope, all I've managed to do there is lose the false set. Brilliant. Well, this is taking some time. Cheap it back into a false set. Start again. Okay, I think we got it there. And we're open, finally. Thank God for that. And that's a zone 5-pin. Okay. This took about 20 minutes in total to make both of them. Just mapping them from previous pics. They work quite well when you're not trying to balance an SLR on your knees whilst filming, sat cross-legged on your bed. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you're interested in finding out about what I'm going to do next, finding different blocks to pick, maybe getting some jazzy new tools. I might do some reviews on them. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, and in the words of Bosnian Bill, stay safe, stay legal.